Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on Monday as usual. You can see price action at the end of the previous week was relatively quiet, so we did not see some explosive thrusting action or something of that sort that we saw within the previous 2-3 weeks. Currently, as you know, our view on the Bitcoin is that currently market stands in an area where we expect to see a starting point of the big retracement. Mostly, this expectation is based on the picture that we see on the weekly chart and monthly chart. Because actually, the sole thrusting action right to our XOP target is the first upward reversal swing after a long-term bearish trend. So this is the first time within the few years when the market shows bullish action when the upside swing is greater than the previous swing to the downside. This breaking of the previous tendency, as a rule, accompanied by deep retracement. So this is even the rule of thumb among the traders. So by the first ABCD retracement after reversal swing, it means that as a rule, market shows the deep retracement. And currently, as market hits major upside target on the daily chart, this is friendly background for possible starting of the downward action. But since we are dealing with the weekly chart and we are watching for a retracement on the longer term charts, it means that on the daily, this reversal probably will not start just in the blink of an eye, or it's just in one candle. This retracement should start with some very good pattern that you could easily recognize on the market. Some reversal pattern should be formed, and this pattern should be relatively extended. So this could be as a rule, free drive, hand shoulders, butterfly, or something of that sort. So, and currently at this moment we do not see it yet. So we see some signs of the possible escalating of the upward action. So we can see this wash and rinse here. This market just spike up to hit XLP and collapse. Then in one session, it also has formed reversal candle that engulfs actually 1, 2, 3, almost 4 sessions before that. But this is just the preliminary hints. So this is not yet the pattern that will definitely trigger the downward action. And also the market could fluctuate around the major area where it could turn down for a while, so for some time. So we're not hasty with the trying to take the short position, but still currently our task is to understand and keep an eye on the possible patterns that could mean starting of the retracement. That's important. And we treat this retracement that, but by our assumption, this should be somewhere to maybe 50%, so somewhere 60, 65 maybe. We treat it as the point where the traders will take the major part of the long positions. So everybody now see for first retracement, and that could become the starting point of the major rally on the Bitcoin. That's why this is very important. So while we are waiting for a possible retracement, we're keeping an eye on what is going on in intraday charts. So on Friday, if you remember, we said that probably we should get some downward continuation. Whether it will become the part of the big pattern or not, we do not know. But as market has formed reversal swing, a reversal candle, as a rule, reversal candles leads to some continuation. So it should be some downward action. Maybe kind of the ABCD pattern should be formed or something of that sort. And we said wait for possible retracement to the upside inside of this candle and watch for chance to go short for scalp traders if you trade on intraday charts. So now what we have on the 4-hour time frame chart, you can see this reversal candle after XOP, and take a look. Market hits the confidence support we have talked about, and shows gradual upward action. So this is not this kind of action. This is very slow, gradual action, and we think that that is retracement back inside of the reversal swing. Right from here, the chance exists that market could show the downward action. So for daily traders, maybe it makes no sense because everybody just wait for moment to go long. But for those who trade on intraday charts, this could be short-term setup that could become start some downward action. On the hourly chart, we have clear guardrails triple to sell. Inside of this pattern, you can see market hits A, B, C bottom, XOP target, and now it's turning down. So it means theoretically, as this pattern could be traded. So I usually traders takes the position at some extension. So currently it was XOP. It would be better if it coincides with some fib level and creates the agreement with the stops above the invalidation point of this pattern. So currently it's above this point, but if it is too much, you could try to search other placing for stops somewhere, maybe from these areas, or if market returns a big red back up above this top, so it could be treated as probably market will not go lower. So it depends on your money management style. So that's what we see right now on the Bitcoin market. Currently, we are watching for continuation of the bearish session on the daily chart. It seems that retracement is over back inside of the body of the session, and now we need some extension down. Maybe it will be ABCD, maybe it will be just returning back to these lows or something of that sort. But some continuation here should follow. And after that, we will see what will happen.